Right. Now, okay, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to 2x and the 5. Can anybody tell me why I would do that? What formula on page 18 makes me think about doing that? Yes, sir. You isolate the y, and then the formula y equals mx plus c comes into effect. Agreed? I now know that the slope of this line is, anybody? I've actually answered part 2. Okay. Then, what's the c value again? We discussed this the last day. What does the c value actually mean, though? Of what axis? Which one? It's the y-axis. On the y-axis, the x value is guaranteed to be 0. On the x-axis, the y value is guaranteed to be 0. And as O in the corner just said, this minus 5. Is that okay? 0 minus 5? Okay, so that's one of the points. How did you get the other points? Well, to get the other points, what we're going to do is we know that the y value has to be, would you all agree we know the y value has to be 0? So replace the y value with 0. 0 equals 2x minus 5. Agreed? That equals 0. Solve. Bring the 2x to your side. Bring the 5 to your side. Divide by 2 and you get 2.5. A lot of you then decided to use the, how many of you used the slope formula for part B? That's okay, you can still do the slope formula. But you can see I'm doing far less work than you are. You're doing a lot more work than I am. So y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. I'm happy enough with that. And what do we get when we do this? Minus 5 minus 0 over 0 minus 2.5. Put it in the calculator. Guess what your answer is? It's the slope formula, so the answer is 2. I already had that, but as discussed earlier, if I gave you a slope of 3/4, what's perpendicular to 3/4? What's upside down of 3/4? Minus 4 over 3. So, my slope is currently 2 over 1. What's my perpendicular slope? Minus 1 over 2. Happy days. Or whatever slope you got, turn it upside down, change the sign. Now, I can give you some 10 marks for that. And then finally, you alright with this? Okay, so what do we get here? This is the equation of a line. I need to know 3 pieces of information to work this. What 3 pieces of information do I need? I need y1, m, and x1. What point does my line go through? Anybody care to tell me what point my line goes through? It's in the blue box. 11, 6. X1's 11, Y1 is 6. What's my slope? Minus 1 over 2. Let's go for it. We're going to go for Y minus 6 equals minus 1 over 2 into X minus 6. The division of 2 on the right means multiplication of 2 on the left. Multiply the left side by 2. What you get? Equals minus 1x plus 6. Bring everything to one side. X plus 2y minus 12 minus another 6. And you're done.